Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Hi students, good morning to all. In this session, we are going to discuss remaining chemical properties of carboxylic acid. Already in my previous classes, I completed two category of chemical properties from the carboxylic group. Number one, reactions involving proton. It's nothing but remove of hydrogen from the OH group. And the second category, reactions involving hydroxyl group. And now third category. Third category is reactions involving carbonyl group. But here, now in this remaining chemical properties is the belongings to the category of reactions involving the hydroxyl group. Reaction involving the hydroxyl groups. Okay ma? Now already in the reaction involving hydroxyl group, two chemical properties already completed. Number one is the formation of ester. It's nothing but reactions with alcohol. Esterification reactions already completed. And second one is the formation of acid chlorides. Is nothing but reactions with PCl5, PCl3 and thionyl chloride. Now third one from the reactions involving hydroxyl group, that chemical reaction name is reactions with ammonia. Reactions with ammonia. If carboxylic acid reacted with ammonia, the formation of acid amides, it is easily to form the acid amides. So that's why whenever carboxylic acid treated with ammonia, acid amides are formed. Acid amides are formed. See here, monocarboxylic acid when treated with ammonia form ammonia salts. Basically first initially ammonia salt is formed. After ammonia salt on heating loses of water molecule and converted into corresponding acid amides. This is the procedure in this equation. If carboxylic acid treated with ammonia, ammonium salt is obtained. This ammonium salt after losing of water molecule, finally acid amides are obtained. So this is the generally formation of acid amides with the help of the carboxylic acid with ammonia gas. Now see here, general representation equation RCOOH. It is a acid group and this is ammonia group. Now here RCOONH4. So completely these two are connected together, combined together. Finally here ammonia salt is formed. Ammonia salt. This is one ammonia salt. From this ammonia salt, one water molecule is eliminated. So water molecule eliminated means ultimately RCONH2. From H4 two hydrogen atoms and from the COO one oxygen atom. So completely one water molecule is loses. Finally RCONH2 acid amides are obtained. So my dear students, in this process the carboxylic acid whenever treated with ammonia, intermediate product is a ammonium salt. In the ammonium salt after losing of water molecule, finally acids amides are obtained. Okay na? So this is a general representation equation. Now see here a general example. This is acetic acid CH3COOH. Acetic acid treated with ammonia NH3. Now what happened? ammonium acetate is formed. Ammonium acetate is formed. From the ammonium acetate to loses of water molecule, finally acetamide amide group is formed, acid amide or acetamide. Why it's called acid amide? Actually this amine group obtained from the acid group. See here CH3COOH, acetic acid. Instead of OH group, its NH2 group is occupied that place. That's why is a acetamide. So this is a most important chemical properties in the category of reactions involving the hydroxyl group. See here my dear students, OH group separated from this entire the chemical properties, OH group is separated. Now one more important key point, the acid amides on heating, these are the acid amides, that acid amides on heating with phosphorus pentoxide means P2O5, loses one more water molecule and forming nitrile group. This is another important point. If here see carboxylic acid treated with ammonia, ammonium salt is obtained. From the ammonium salt, water molecule is eliminated. Finally acid amides are obtained. See here in this acid amide treated with acid amide in the presence of phosphorus pentachloride on heating, then what happened? One more water molecule is eliminated from this compound. Finally alkyl nitrile or alkyl cyanides are obtained. Now my question, my dear student, from the carboxylic acid, how we will prepare the cyanides or how we will prepare the nitrile group? These are the process. What is the process? First basically the in neat point of view, they are asking like these questions, Nana. How the carboxylic acid converted into nitrile group, or otherwise this is a reactant, after that this is A, this is a B, this is a C, last is D. So what is the D? What is the D? This kind of the questions are coming in the competitive entrance point of view. Now see carboxylic acid treated with ammonia, ammonium salt, after that it loses of water molecule, acid amides. This acid amides again treated with phosphorus pentachloride, one more water molecule is eliminated. Finally alkyl nitriles are obtained. Okay ma'am? Now see here example, this compound name is CH3CONH2. CH3CONH2, generally acetamide, this is acetamide, already here see acetamide treated with phosphorus pentachloride because of the dehydrating agent like concentrated sulfuric acid. Phosphorus pentachloride is also very good dehydrating agent like sulfuric acid. Upon water molecule is eliminated from this acetamide. So finally what happened? CH3CN, methyl cyanide or ethane nitrile, methyl cyanide is formed and ethane nitriles are obtained, and finally water molecule also released. These are the from the acid amide easily to prepare the cyanide groups. Okay ma? And I didn't written here one more example. See benzoic acid, you know the formula of benzoic acid, C6H5COOH. Plus treated with ammonia, ammonium benzoate, C6H5COONH4 is obtained. That ammonium benzoate after heating to losing of water molecule, finally benzamide is obtained. Benzamide formula C6H5CONH2. So instead of benzoic acid, if the already I said benzamide, whenever treated, not only benzamide, acid amide, generally acid amide treated with dehydrating agents such as phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus pentoxide, immediately to remove of one more water molecule to form cyanide group, to form the cyanide group. Here benzamide also, I didn't written here, benzamide formula C6H5CONH2, benzamide treated with phosphorus pentoxide P2O5, after remove of water molecule easily to form phenyl cyanide, that is nothing but benzonitrile. Phenyl cyanide is formed, that is nothing but benzonitrile. The formula of benzonitrile C6H5CN, C6H5CN. Okay ma? So here ultimately from this chemical properties, formation of acid amide category, carboxylic acid whenever treated with ammonia, ammonium salts are obtained. That ammonium salts again under heating to remove a water molecule, acid amides are formed. These acid amides again treated with phosphorus pentoxide and one more water molecule is eliminated. Finally, my dear students, cyanide groups are obtained. Cyanide groups are obtained. Now see one more example here. It's a phthalic acid. You know that very well. This is group is benzene group is nothing but aryl group connected with dicarboxylic acid. This is nothing but phthalic acid, not T nana here, phthalic acid. Now treated with ammonia and ammonium phthalate is formed. Ammonium phthalate is obtained here. Ammonium phthalate is obtained. So phthalic acid, this is not T, is a L nana, phthalic acid, and in the presence of ammonia, intermediate product is ammonium phthalate is obtained. Ammonium phthalate. After ammonium phthalate under high pressure and temperature to remove a water molecule, finally what product is obtained here? Phthalamide, amide group is obtained. Already I said this phthalamide heat strongly, ammonia group is eliminated, finally phthalamide is obtained. This is the most important chemical properties nana. Phthalamide, see don't confusion, THALAMID, phthalimide. So phthalimide means after remove of the ammonia group, phthalimide is formed, and this is a phthalamide. Okay ma, these are also reactions with ammonia. Most important nana, in these chemical properties, carboxylic acid directly converted into cyanide group in between of these reactions. First, carboxylic acid directly treated with ammonia, ammonium salt is formed. From the ammonium salt, water molecule is eliminated, acid amides are obtained. These acid amides again treated with powerful dehydrating agent such as phosphorus pentoxide, and one more water molecule is eliminated from the acid amide, and ultimately alkyl nitriles are obtained. These are the important chemical properties from the reactions with ammonia. Now fourth one ma, this fourth chemical properties also, it's belongings to the reactions involving hydroxyl group. This fourth one, dehydration, you know that very well. If from the carboxylic acid dehydration, it means water molecule is eliminated easily to form acid anhydrates, is very important. Whenever carboxylic acid involved in the dehydration process with the help of the powerful dehydrating agent such as phosphorus pentoxide or concentrated sulfuric acid, finally acid anhydrates are obtained. This is a most important. See statement nana, monocarboxylic acid when heated in the presence of the strong dehydrating agent such as a phosphorus pentoxide or concentrated sulfuric acid form anhydrates by elimination of the water molecule from two molecules of carboxylic acid. Here important thing, here in the dehydration process, carboxylic acid are involved in the two molecules or 2 moles of the carboxylic acid is involved in the presence of the powerful dehydrating agent and concentrated sulfuric acid or phosphorus pentoxide, hence acid anhydrates are obtained. So now see here RCOOH, this is one of the carboxylic acid plus RCOOH, this is one more carboxylic acid. It means 2 molecules of carboxylic acid treated with phosphorus pentoxide or concentrated sulfuric acid. These are the powerful dehydrating agent. So this powerful dehydrating agent, they are easily to remove the water molecule from the carboxylic acid, and ultimately acid anhydride groups are obtained. This is the acid anhydride group, and additionally water molecules are eliminated. Now this general formula, general equation. Now the example from above general equation, this is the example. See here CH3COOH and CH3COOH. It means 2 moles of the acetic acid or 2 molecules of acetic acid. Here from one acetic acid OH group is eliminated. Already I said this entire the chemical properties belongs to the reactions involving hydroxyl group. So here from the acetic acid OH group, one acetic acid OH group is eliminated, one more acetic acid, one hydrogen is eliminated. So finally water molecules are eliminated from the 2 combinations of the acetic acid in the presence of the phosphorus pentoxide or concentrated sulfuric acid. These are powerful dehydrating agent, and finally here acid anhydrates are obtained. CH3COO, COOH, and additionally H2O is released. This is generally acidic anhydride. Why it's called anhydride? From the acidic group the anhydride group is obtained, so that's why this is the acetic anhydride. Okay ma? And one more example, see here. See, this is another important point, my dear students. From carboxylic acid they are easily to converted into acid anhydride, okay ma, with the help of the dehydrating agent. Now important note nana. So now instead of acetic acid you will write benzoic acid. What is the benzoic acid formula? C6H5COOH. I didn't written here, just you will write down in your notebook. C6H5COOH plus again C6H5COOH in the presence of the heat or pyridine, and finally benzoic anhydrates are obtained. Benzoic anhydrates are obtained. Benzoic anhydride. Now see, important point is these are generally carboxylic acid under dehydrations of phosphorus pentoxide and concentrated sulfuric acid converted into anhydride, the acid anhydride. Now sometimes my dear students, acid anhydride can also be obtained by reacting acid chloride with carboxylic acid. Acid chloride, this is the acid chloride with carboxylic acid. Not only one category of the carboxylic acid, sometimes my dear student, acid anhydride can also be obtained easily by the reacting of acid chlorides with carboxylic acid. So here this is acetic acid, CH3COOH, acetic acid. This is acetyl chloride. So different. This is acetyl chloride, this is acetic acid. In the presence of pyridine, now what happened? Acetic anhydrates are obtained. This is the most important nana. And instead of one more important nana, sera. Here in this example, this is acetic acid and acetyl chloride. Now easily to form the anhydride, acid anhydride in the presence of the pyridine. Now see this example. This is acetyl chloride, and instead of the carboxylic acid, sodium acetate is also used. So important point, my dear student, sodium salt of carboxylic acid. This is the sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid, whenever treated with acetyl chloride, here completely changes the combination. Actually in the above equations, completely purely carboxylic acids are involved in the dehydration process. Finally acid anhydrates are formed, but instead of the same combination of carboxylic acid, acetyl or acetyl chloride and carboxylic acid combination. But another example, sodium salt of carboxylic acid or acetyl chloride. So here 3 different type of combinations are there. So sodium salt of carboxylic acid and acetyl chlorides are connected together under high pressure or temperature easily to form acid anhydride. My dear students, listen, very important key point. Acid anhydride not only form with the combination of only carboxylic acid, also combination, what kind of combination? Carboxylic acid or acetyl chloride combination, or sodium salt of carboxylic acid or acetyl chloride combination. These 3 combination, it can easily to form acid anhydrides. These are the example. See here, this compound name is a sodium acetate and down acetyl chloride. Sodium acetate, acetyl chloride. From this compound, NaCl is eliminated. Here, water is not eliminated because here OH groups are not there. So instead of the water molecule, NaCl is eliminated. Here, catalysts are not required, such as pyridine is not required. Phosphorus pentoxide is not required, concentrated sulfuric acid also not required, because of here NaCl, salt easily to remove from this compound, that's why just heat is enough. So acetic anhydride is obtained, acetic anhydrides are obtained. So this is the sodium acetate plus acetyl chloride. Now my dear students, the most important note, formic acid does not form any anhydride. You know HCHO, formic acid, it's not form any type of anhydride. If OH group eliminated from the formic acid, it's not, it is an unstable compound. That's why formic acid does not form any anhydride. Okay ma? These are the second category chemical properties. You know that second category chemical properties, reactions involving hydroxyl group. Okay ma? In the reaction involving hydroxyl group, there are 4 equations are there. Number 1, reactions with alcohol, it's nothing but formation of ester, it's nothing but esterification reaction. Already I clearly explained the esterifications of reaction along with the mechanism in my previous classes. And second chemical properties from the reactions involving hydroxyl group, for reactions with PCl5, PCl3, thionyl chloride, and third one reactions with ammonia, and fourth one reactions with it's nothing but dehydration process. Now the fourth category, from chemical properties of carboxylic acid, fourth category, reactions involving carbonyl group. Here my dear student, in these chemical properties, carbonyl groups are involved in the reaction. This is the most important. Now here one statement is there, see carefully. The carbonyl group COOH, the carbonyl group of COOH does not give the usual reaction of C double bond O. Sinana, the carbonyl group of COOH does not give the usual reactions of C double bond O group, mainly due to the reduced double bond character of the carbon oxygen bond because of resonance structure. That is a basic reason, my dear student. From this category, reactions involving carbonyl group category, first one, reductions to alcohol. What is meaning of reductions to alcohol? Here my dear students, carboxylic acid whenever treated with a reductional process or treated with hydrogen, alcohols are obtained. So that's why this name is reductions to alcohol. Now see here, it depends upon the nature of reducing agent. So this type of chemical reaction, especially carboxylic acid, easily to converted into alcohol. Here to play major role only reducing agent such as lithium aluminum hydride. You know that very powerful reducing agent. Lithium aluminum hydride or ether or hydrogen in the presence of copper chromate. Okay ma, important key point, if the carboxylic acid converted into the alcohol, the basically important reducing agents are lithium aluminum hydride and ether solution or with hydrogen in the presence of copper chromate. See here, this is acid. These are the reducing agents, lithium aluminum hydride, ether and H3O plus treated with hydrogen, alcohol are obtained. But sometimes my dear student, some additional catalyst also used in this reaction, not only copper chromate, here not mentioned copper chromate, write down formula CuCr2O4, CuCr2O4, copper chromate or the catalyst of BH3 or THF, BH3 or THF, or hydrogen and ruthenium, H2 or ruthenium. These are the catalysts are used instead of the lithium aluminum hydride. Now see my dear students, here the monocarboxylic acid whenever involved in the reductional process and ultimately 1 degree alcohol are obtained. This is the most important, 1 degree alcohol are obtained. So first one, this is the carboxylic acid treated with hydrogen, 1 degree alcohol. Now here example, acetic acid treated with hydrogen, the same optimum conditions, CH3 CH2OH, this compound name is ethyl alcohol is obtained. Now here acid and 2H2 and excess amount of the copper oxide and chromium trioxide and diboron combination and also ether, and finally what happened here, 1 degree alcohol, additionally water is liberated. And final example, see here, benzoic acid treated with hydrogen in the presence of the lithium aluminum hydride and ether solution, and benzyl alcohol is formed, C6H5 CH2OH, and additionally water molecule, benzyl alcohol are obtained. Okay ma'am. Now in this session I successfully completed reactions involving hydroxyl group chemical properties and also reactions involving carbonyl group chemical properties, and one more chemical properties is there, that is reactions involving carboxylic group as a whole completely. In this previous all chemical properties category wise, if C double bond O cleavage some chemical properties, OH group cleavage some chemical properties, H atom also cleavage some chemical properties. In the final category of the chemical properties of the carboxylic acid is the reactions of carboxylic group as a whole completely involved COOH group. So that chemical properties will be continue in my next classes. Okay ma. After the fourth category of chemical properties, then confirmation test of the carboxylic acid and some commercial important carboxylic acid we will discuss in my next class. Okay Nana?